I'll be talking about my Instagram story, how it got hacked, and finally I got it back. On Saturday, I got a mail which said from Instagram saying congratulations on reaching 53k followers, and if you want your get your account verified, just click the link. So I did click the link like an idiot. I really didn't even think that would, because it said Instagram. It was clearly, I didn't think twice. I just went ahead, clicked the link, and then poof, my Instagram just automatically changes its username. He managed to change my email address and the password. So, and the only thing I had was my Instagram was connected to my Facebook, so I could log in through my Facebook. I didn't have much time. I knew that. I kept logging in from my Facebook, tried to change my password, but it was too late. I guess it was already taken. And after he got a full hang of it, he completely deleted my pictures, my messages, my followers, and everything. And he blocked a lot of. I think he blocked a lot of you who sent any message to him saying, "Who are you? Why are you doing this?" And anything. If you said anything, he's completely blocked. Best part was he somehow managed to cut off the link from my Facebook and Instagram and created a new Instagram profile from me, which was connected to my Facebook. He did that, and the next day I received a mail from Instagram saying he needs $120 for some PlayStation. Otherwise, my account would be deleted. But by then he kept constantly changing his username and his name, and he kept changing DP. To make this long story short, he kept sending me mails saying he wants $120, otherwise he is gonna be deleting my account. Meanwhile, on the other side, I wrote to Instagram. I said my profile's been hacked and things like that. But Instagram first said they asked me to hold up a number, my verification ID. So I sent them my passport details along with my name and picture, and then they said it's not good enough. And then finally I had to. At this point, I thought I lost my profile. There's no way of me getting it back. Anyway, he's deleted everything off, and I had no control. So then finally asked a friend and a family member for a favor, who kind of helped me. They put me on to a person who works in Facebook in India. This guy cross-checked everything, and then he sent a mail directly to Facebook owns Instagram. So yeah, and I see a reset password in my email, and I'm like, God, this is not happening. This is not true. I don't know. I was like, yay, I'm getting my profile back finally. I don't care whether anything was there in that or not, but at least it didn't go, to the wrong. I was very worried actually. I was very upset. I had never thought I'd get my profile back, really. I thought it was just gone. But when I logged into my email, when he changed the password, I found out his IP address, and his IP address is from Saudi Arabia. So he is at my account from Saudi Arabia, and he is from Riyadh. And yes, when I opened my account, I went into the messages first. So many messages in Arabic, and he sent to a couple of people, and then I luckily have one Arab friend who kind of helped me just to translate a little bit. From what I understood is this guy has been selling profiles or blackmailing for money. So he's been doing this for a while. Any account which has 10,000 followers and above has its price. Like he sells accounts or he blackmails for money. Do let me know if anybody can read Arabic, because a lot of messages are in Arabic, and it would be of great help to just find out. I'm gonna leave my Snapchat open. I will unblock you, and all of my pictures, most of my pictures